Introducing Quick Surveys. This building needs to replace the obsolete drive and upgrade their door operator. The project scope is analyzed, and survey instructions are automatically provided, which includes minimal questions to quote this work. Let's start with the drive. It's asking for photos of the controller data tag and photos of the drive data tag. Let's move on to the door operator. The door opening is left hand, and it's a 2-speed. Let's finish this up and send it to the office.
Back in the office, I receive all the survey details, which includes everything I need to estimate costs and send a proposal. I have the drive details and the door operator details. I can also request a quote from suppliers, which will send survey forms and other details directly to the supplier. ElevatorZip eliminates return surveys, so I can get things done faster.